السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. بسم الله, alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wala, thumma amma ba'd. So in the following few minutes, inshallah, I'll be talking to you about the importance of seeking Islamic studies through a degree program, and also why Mishka may be the right choice for many of us. The natural order should have been to start with the discussion of the importance of seeking knowledge in general, but I presume that the people who will be listening to this recording don't have any doubts about that. So why study through a degree program? Why pursue Islamic knowledge through a degree program? The quick answer is, if you need to pursue a career in Islamic imamship, education, propagation, or to seek higher degrees, master's, PhD, and so on, then you do need a degree. But for many of us who do not want to pursue a career in imamship, they want to learn for their own benefits, and everybody should, but they do not want, in addition to this, to pursue a career in Islamic education. Why should they study in a degree program? Why should they enroll in a degree program? Many people can say that a self-motivated student can find resources and means to study on their own, under sheikhs, in the traditional way, and acquire all the knowledge they need, not only for themselves and their own benefit, to increase their certainty, to correct their worship, to benefit the people who are around them, but also to become educators and to transmit this knowledge to others. And this is true for the people who are able to find the means and resources and to stay, motivated to acquire knowledge. And many people studied this way and they acquired knowledge this way, and it's true for them. But for many of us, studying in a program is very helpful. I would encourage, most of us to basically consider that for three main reasons. One is good instruction. And when you study in a degree program, you will have qualified teachers guiding you through your studying in the different subjects, and not many of us have access to qualified teachers that are competent to teach the different Islamic sciences, all different Islamic sciences. Second is motivation, and for certain, the ultimate goal, particularly when it comes to seeking Islamic knowledge, should be the pleasure of Allah. Should be the pleasure of Allah. But as human beings, sometimes we need short-term objectives. If those objectives are completely subservient to and in line with the ultimate goal, then they can give us some motivation and they can drive us to our end goal. And to have an objective to finish your degree in 4 to 5 years may be helpful for many of us. To have deadlines to meet for the different semesters, for the different courses, your final exam, your quizzes, and so on and so forth, also is very helpful for many of us. The third is organization. When you study in a program, you'll be forced to divide your time fairly between the different Islamic sciences, hence acquiring a solid, balanced foundation of knowledge to build on in the future. So, why Mishka? Mishka is an online university. It offers interactive, synchronous instruction, bringing the students and the teachers into the same virtual classroom at the same time. So it may be the second best option after in-person learning in a usual brick-and-mortar school. For those of us who are unable to travel and attend one, this option may become, with the assistance of Allah and through sincerity and dedication, even better for us. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, through His favor and His grace, can make it be the first. Now, if pursuing Islamic studies in a degree program is what you have decided to do, and online learning is what is right for you and for your circumstances, and it may not be for all people. But if it is right for you and for your circumstances, then I believe Mishkan may be the right choice for many of us. Why? As I said before, it provides this interactive, synchronous instruction, and it is also committed to presenting the tradition fairly, provides accessible, authentic knowledge, and is completely committed. That's the intent. There are many controversies in Islamic sciences, and the Mishkan instructors may have their own leanings, like others. However, Mishkan demands of all instructors to present the tradition fairly and honestly, and that is our commitment, because it is the right thing to do. Before academic honesty, it is the right thing to do. It is the right of the tradition on us to present it without bias, as impartially as possible, as fairly and honestly as possible. I hope, inshallah, to see you in one of the courses that I teach, or the Deen's Hour, and I ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us and you beneficial knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.